Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to give you a beginner's guide to a rivet gun, what it is and how to use it. A bunch of different rivet guns out there. This particular one is a rivet gun that comes with two different tips. So this is an 1/8 inch tip on the end right now, and then there's a 3/16 inch tip that you can change out. Now, what's a rivet? A rivet is a metal fastener that you can put through a hole to join two pieces of material together. You can use it in plastic, you can use it with metal. Anytime you want to bring two things together where you don't want a nut and a screw and a more permanent connection is when you would use a rivet. They make aluminum rivets, they make steel rivets, they make plastic rivets for that matter. Today what I'm going to demonstrate is an aluminum rivet and how to use it. Essentially, with a hole that's the appropriate size, say an 1/8 inch, and rivets they make in both short and longer lengths, depending on the material that you're using. You put the rivet in the end of the gun. I'm using an 1/8 inch rivet with the 1/8 inch bit on the end of it. And then you put it through the two holes of the material. I have two pieces of aluminum here. And then with pressure down on the tool, you squeeze the gun multiple times until you hear a snap. And that takes the tip off and creates the bond. And you see you have a nice finish on one side. That's the side you're going to see. And on the other side, doesn't look that great, but it's holding it together. And that's what the rivet is. Just have to make sure that whatever tip you're using on the end of the tool corresponds with the diameter of the rivet that you're using. If you need to change the tip, on this particular tool, there's a wrench. You unscrew the one tip, you screw the other tip back in if you want to change the different sizes of the rivets that you're using. That's basically how you use a rivet gun and get the results you're looking for. Coming up next, my video on how to choose the right rivet for your project.